There's a sheriff in an unmarked car. Yeah, hi. He waved. Big old stogie sticking out of his mouth. They're not supposed to be smoking in our cars. Yeah. It's got a sheriff license plate. Most of the blinds are closed all the way. Well, here's a clear view of nothing. There's nobody in there. What's this place? Ah, yes. City Schools Administration Office.
Recording started.
Can we help you guys?
No, we don't need any help, thanks.
Okay.
Are you from BG? Are you from Bowling Green?
What?
Are you from Bowling Green?
We're in Bowling Green.
I know, are you from here?
Why?
Just curious.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm from the 70s.
The 70s?
Yeah.
Same.
Me too.
Hell, yeah. 70s party. Right?
Look at this old grandfather clock here. That's pretty cool.
Okay. Yeah, you guys can.
Okay. That's not an old grandfather's clock. That's fake.
Yeah, that's true.
It's got a little clock just sitting in a case.
I zoomed in.
There's no tick-tock.
There was. We took it out.
You guys have candy?
I thought that was candy.
Okay.
So,
Well, thanks for stopping in and seeing us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there more student paintings here?
So how many students in total are in the system for Bowling Green?
I don't know.
Any idea?
About 2,600,
Yeah,
2,650
2600.
Just
That's
one
it?
high school or two?
for the district.
I figured there'd be
One
more
high
than that.
school, though?
Yes,
Yep.
one high school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like some cities have 10.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
We're just a small little place.
Yeah.
Right.
Bigger than you look.
Have a great day.
You guys have a great day too.
smile.
It'll help. Grumpy.
Hi there.
He's grumpy, man. Much,
He does look pretty grumpy, doesn't he?
Yes.
I think he stole his coat from his grandfather.
He mugging you guys.
I think he stole his coat from his grandfather. That lady's tripping in that first office. That lady's tripping in that first office.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a public building. You can walk right up to the windows.
Somebody else is coming.
Oh, there's two people sitting there.
she ask you? She walked past.
She didn't see me.
Oh, really?
She's all over there leading around the corner at you guys, and I'm standing behind her recording. She turned around like,
That was weird. I thought, well, she's under investigation and she walked away. Get out here. Get out here. You need to speak to someone now.
what?
They're under investigation.
Oh,
They're going to call Coco.
probably. They're tripping in there for sure.
Bless you. Excuse me. You fart? Oh, that's the door.
Right? Very dirty window.
Yeah,
Storage room.
something smells good.
It does. It's all storage over here. It's closed.
Need bars and windows.
Right. Well, there's somebody sitting there and running. They ran right out of her office. Yeah. This lady ran right straight out of her office. That was kind of amusing.
You see them, let them know that they're under investigation.
Okay.
I need investigation.
Oh, I got another one that needs a copy of Blind Operation for Dummies. Can't figure out how to use the blinds. Oh, now she's ripping them down. I think she gave up. Yeah, she gave up.
He's ripping the blinds down.
She was yanking on him, trying to get him to come down. She stormed off, all pissed off because she couldn't get him to work.
Turn that thing, that knob.
That was funny.
Can't you start them?
Let's go.
Sanctuaries.
Tattoos. I don't see any people.
Nah,
They got it all blocked off so you can't see them doing their work. That's
they
good.
don't open them either.
It says open though. This isn't open either.
Place I go, they. In the back,
Mackenzie's flower basket. Cool. Wide open door. Ah, fresh cut flowers. Love that smell.
flower baskets.
Yep.
Bar open already?
Yeah. There's people. Oops.
Beckett's. Well, they got two servers taking orders simultaneously.
Yeah.
This is like an action scene right here.
Right. Considering there's like nobody else in the whole rest of the place.
Of course, that Red Angel Pizza had the action scene when that
Idiot
girl-
came out.
No, when that girl came at me from the truck.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Like,
Yeah, that was
she
hilarious.
waddled at me with such fierceness.
I know. Yep, that was absolutely hilarious. Did you see the angle on my camera of that?
Yeah.
I thought she was gonna fall face first.
I wasn't gonna capture it. That was crazy.
Yeah.
Huh?
You guys
Well,
aren't filming, are you?
I was walking this way and you almost opened the door
Wow.
and
Don't film me.
We're recording
we're recording.
For what?
ourselves.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, don't put me on camera.
Too late.
You're not on it, you're in front of it.
I know, but is he filming?
We all are.
I don't want to be on a camera.
Too late. You already are.
What is this? I don't want to be on. Yeah.
How you doing?
Well, then you should go back inside.
Well, I know, but you're filming through our window.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah,
wanna
we can
be
do
on-
that.
Huh?
We can do that. Then you should go hide under a table.
No, I work here, so
Well, then you're going to get recorded.
no, I don't want to be recorded.
It doesn't matter.
Why did you come out and
I'm just asking what's going on because there's other people that probably don't want to be recorded either.
That doesn't matter either.
Well, sure it does.
No, it doesn't.
windows were made to look through?
It's called the First Amendment, freedom of the press. Anything we can see, we can record.
What are you putting this on?
YouTube.
Not a camera.
Why?
Because want to.
Hey, did you know your thing
Yeah.
unlocked right here?
Yeah, I don't want to be on the YouTube. Thank you.
Too late.
We won't be on tomorrow or the next day, but definitely be on YouTube. You guys want to be on YouTube? Right, well, you are. Have a good one. The door opens again.
Somebody went in.
Oh.
Now there's some people going to come out.
Glass windows.
Yeah. Well, yeah, they got blinds. Their blinds is right there. Just got to pull them down. Grab that chain and pull them down.
That's it.
Yep.
Or, you know,
Or hide in the back room till we leave. I mean, she could do that, I guess.
You go in and hide or shut up.
Did you like how I told her to go hide under a table? I had to mix it up with something different, you know?
Can I ask what you're doing?
It's pretty obvious, isn't it?
Well, you're in front of my building, so I'm just asking a question. So.
But we're not in your building, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Beckett here, I assume. Or Beckett's second-hand man, I don't know.
He said it's his building, so.
Got the Beckett shirt. Is there anything you'd like to ask? Or? Mackenzie's flower basket. I don't know, you could own the whole building, but must be apartments upstairs, I don't know.
Be nice if you could see the menu or something.
Right.
What do you see from this window?
I don't know. Haven't been to that one yet.
Oh, that's
Restaurant
the catering.
catering here in Bowling Green, Ohio. Second third.
Oh, there are more people. This place has got
Employee actually.
quite a few people in here.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know there was another whole side.
You can see right into the kitchen too if you go over the wall. It looks like. I think that's the kitchen, or is that?
That's just a mirror.
That's us.
Yeah, that's just a mirror.
Hi. That was me, and that's him. That's the other one right there. Channel 3.
Yeah. Smoking in our cars.
It was probably the sheriff. Had that big fat cigar in his mouth.
What was he
Plain
thinking? What was he
clothes.
hoping it was?
Huh?
What was he hoping it was?
Who knows?
Who knows? A bigger cigar?
Testing. Wrong. Okay, wrong. Cool.
Switch to channel 3.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow, there's the